In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the YouTube thumbnail previews. As you can see, if I scroll down through the feed, all the thumbnails are static and won't play automatically. So what we need to do is go to our profile icon. Once you are there, click on the settings icon and there you will find playback. Click on that and all the way down you will find playback in feeds. Currently it's turned off, but if you would like to put it on, then you can select always on. If you only want to display them while you are using a Wi-Fi connection, then you can also select that. But for now I will turn on, and once you have done that, then you can go back and check if everything works. And as you can see, videos are starting to play automatically when you are scrolling down. Some videos here are static, as you can see, but they are loading. And this is how you turn on YouTube thumbnail previews.